In the Philippines, we generate mountains of rice husks every single day, an agricultural waste product with almost no recognized value. But today, I'm going to show you how to take that waste, along with bamboo, common dirt, lime, and water, and turn it into a home that would rival the most high-end luxury builds in the world. This isn't just mixing mud, it's a forgotten science of composite construction. We blend silica-rich husks with lime and clay, creating a natural concrete that's lightweight and insulating. We pack this mix into a woven bamboo skeleton, a wall that breathes, keeping the inside cool against the earth that moves. Ancient wisdom meets modern luxury. Treat. Soak in 5% borax to stop bukbak and rot. Lift. Keep bamboo 8 inches high, no ground contact. Frame. Build your structural bones, plumb, braced, and strong. Split. Split laths to expose the grippy inner fibers. Weave. Leave 1-inch gaps so the mix can key in. Mix. 2 parts sand, clean river sand. This provides the bones and prevents shrinking. 1 part clay, local clay soil, sieved to remove stones. This is your primary sticky glue. 1 part lime putty, hydrated lime mixed with water to a paste. This creates the chemical stone bond. 3 parts rice husks. This provides the bulk, the insulation, and the internal fiber reinforcement. Water to consistency, usually about 0.5 to 1 part. Pack tight. Make it mushroom out the back. Cure. Let it breathe. Lime turns CO2 into stone. Coat. Apply lime plaster. This is the house's skin. Polish. Burnish while damp for a waterproof shine. Done. Sit back, stay cool, and enjoy.